Initially, cars did not contain any kind of roof. Only a few models had see-through side curtains or folding canvas tops. That was true until Cadillac began making cars with fully enclosed bodies. After that, people started looking for something new in every model. As a result, manufacturers started to include canvas or metal-covered roof openings in cars. Sometimes, people confuse a sunroof with a moonroof when they are talking about the roof of a car. Although both are roof panels that let sunlight and fresh air into the vehicle, there is a difference between the two. Nowadays, most cars feature moonroofs since typical sunroofs are quite uncommon. What is a sunroof? A sunroof is an opaque panel present on the car's roof. It seems to be a body-colored metal panel from the outside. However, it is either tilted open or removed to let in light or fresh air. You cannot see through the sunroof since it is an opaque metal plate. Some sunroof models are also detachable for a totally unique driving experience. However, cars no longer feature opaque, movable sunroofs these days. Pros and cons of a sunroof. Pros: 1. When opened, it provides a better look into your surroundings. 2. When all the windows are open, air circulates better, reducing the need for air conditioners. 3. Improved connectivity via mobile devices. 4. Offers better protection than a glass moonroof or a cloth convertible top. 5. Quite affordable to install and maintain than a moonroof. 6. Has no negative effect on headroom. 7. Potentially raises the car's resale price. Cons: 1. Air turbulence causes noise. 2. When closed, opaque panels block the view of the sky. 3. It must be stored in the trunk after removal. 4. Vulnerable to leaks because of poor sealing. Types of sunroofs: built-in sunroof, pop-up sunroof, spoiler sunroof and solar sunroof. Popular models with a sunroof: Kia Optima, Hyundai Sonata, Audi A3, Kia Stinger, Ford Mustang Mach-E, Cadillac CT5, BMW 2 Series and BMW 3 Series. What is a moonroof? The moonroof is built of glass and is not removable from the car. They may be opened by sliding or tilting to let in light and air. Moonroofs have an internal sliding panel that opens to reveal the moonroof itself. A movable shade in the headliner protects the interior of the car. It can be either electric or manually operated. This panel will be a perfect fit for the car's interior and will blend right in. Moonroofs are more common than sunroofs in modern cars. Pros and cons of a moonroof. Pros: 1. An open moonroof can help you feel relaxed and happier since it lets in fresh air and sunlight. 2. Offers a panoramic view of the sky even when it is closed. 3. Evokes the experience of riding in a convertible without the risk of getting sunburn or messing up of hair. 4. Superior than a fabric convertible top in terms of security and safety. 5. An aesthetically pleasing addition to any car. 6. Improve the resale value of the car. Cons: 1. Setup and maintenance costs are high. 2. Mechanical assembly lowers available headroom. 3. Additional weight can negatively impact handling and lower fuel efficiency. 4. Susceptible to leaking due to damaged seals or blocked drain tubes. Types of moonroofs: standard moonroof, panoramic moonroof and fixed moonroof. Popular models with a moonroof: Honda Civic, Tesla Model 3, BMW X5, Buick Encore, Mazda 6, Porsche Panamera, Subaru Forester and Ford F-150. How much do sunroofs and moonroofs typically cost? A moonroof will typically cost from $1,000 to several $1,000s. However, this is not too much if you really want one on your car. Panoramic roofs might cost up to twice as much. Even though sunroofs and moonroofs depreciate with the car, having one can make it easier to sell a used car. Additionally, it is still possible to have an aftermarket sunroof installed on an old car. It might cost between $300 and $800 to install these pop-up removable panels. However, they are more prone to leak, corrode, or have other issues than a unit that was installed at the factory. The bottom line, the terms sunroofs and moonroofs are used interchangeably by manufacturers. These two terms are not the same, but they do not differ from each other significantly. The primary distinction between a moonroof and a sunroof is that a moonroof can be fixed. On the other hand, a sunroof can be easily opened. Moonroofs are always constructed of glass, while sunroofs can be either glass or metal. You can occasionally catch the wind by using a regular hardtop sunroof. However, a tinted glass panel moonroof is perfect for letting light in at all times. Both types of roofs have their own positive aspects and drawbacks. You can choose the one that best suits your needs. Thanks for watching till the end. Subscribe to get notified of my latest content and share this video to grow the channel, and also comment on any future video you want me to make.